So a while ago I made a coffee table and I used Suzuki band to make the top look slightly weathered, and I sort of burnt it slightly. But on that video a person commented, I'll put it right up there, a person commented and said that boot polish works quite well instead of using a flamethrower, which is just a wheat burner, but I like calling it a flamethrower. So in this video I'm going to see which one's better, boot polish or a wheat burner. And these are all the tests I'm going to put it through. So to start off, I'm just going to do both of them and see which one takes the longest. So I'm going to use the wheat burner and then I'm going to use the boot polish on separate test samples. And after I've done that, the time is 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So now I'm just going to move on to the boot polish. I'm using Kiwi boot polish. This is supposed to get a good finish on leather. So it's instant polish. So I'm just going to take this off.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so I'm just going to pour some onto this tissue right here. This is just some old boot polish. Okay, now I'm just going to rub it on. Okay, I'm going to wipe it off with an old rag. Okay, very interesting results. If I had gloves on, it would have completely blackened the gloves, and my fingers are really black. So I'll have to give them a good wash, and then I'm going to get some water and see if I can rub most of it off. But enough so you can see the wood, but not just the boot polish. I can definitely see that this one has a more of a natural Suzuki band look to it. It's more sort of more smooth, the colour. On this one it's sort of more abrupt and a little bit, it's like rustic. You can see that it looks kind of rustic. You can see the scratches in it, which didn't show up on this one. So I think my favourite out of them is that one. The boot polish took longer, so I'll give that one to the Suzuki band. In my eyes, the Suzuki band looked nicer, so I'll give that one to it as well. Now I'm going to move on to which costs more. And for the boot polish, it was $6, and the wheat burner was $50 plus the gas, which equals $55.30, which means the boot polish won that point. Now I'll move on to which one is the most safest method of getting that burnt look. And my fingers are really black. But in all reality, the Suzuki band method using the wheat burner is obviously more dangerous than using boot polish because, I mean, it is fire. So the boot polish got that point, so that means it is a tie.